So today we're going to use all the knowledge we've learned about HTML and actually make an About Me page. So this About Me page, I designed it and it's very simple and easy to customize. So if you do want to use this for a professional setting, even if you're not wanting to land a job, you can use this. So I just have a text editor open here, and I just made a new folder name About Me, and just jump right into it. So I'm gonna make a new file, and of course, as we always been doing, we're gonna name this file. And let me just find this folder real quick. I think I put it in my desktop. Okay, and I'm going to name this file index.html, and there we go. And because there has been several versions of HTML, each web page should begin with a Doctype Declaration to tell a browser which version of HTML the page is using. So there's different versions of HTML like XHTML and HTML4, but we specifically want to tell Google Chrome that we are using HTML5. We didn't use this in the other videos. The web page did work fine, but we're gonna put it from now on. It is good practice. So of course, every HTML document starts with an HTML tag, and each HTML document has a head and a body. So inside my head, I'm gonna add a title, and let me just make my text a little bit big here. And you can put your name here and the occupation that you are. So if you're a photographer, put photography. I'm just going to put front end, or let me just put this easily, web developer. Nice. So there's another tag that lives inside of the head tag, and that is the meta tag. So the meta tag lives inside of the head, and it contains information about the web page. So one of these meta tags is meta name. So the name of this meta tag is author, and for the content, you can right there put your name. I'm gonna put my name, Alexander Mello, and that's one meta tag. Another meta tag can be description, and this just tells the browser, the search engine bots that look for our website what kind of website this is. So I'm just gonna say a page about Alexander Mello. This is something called SEO, search engine optimization. So when Google finds your website, these are the tags and basically what kind of content your website has, and this is how it ranks it in the Google system. So we can move on to the body. That's enough of the head tag. So I'm just going to open this up inside in our Google Chrome. So file, open file, and I'm going to navigate to that folder. So the About Me page folder, here we go. And there we go. We know it's correct because it says Alexander Mello, web developer. Okay, so let's use all the knowledge that we've learned the past two videos and actually make this into a website. Now quickly, I'm gonna write an H1 with my name, and then I'm gonna have an H2 with my job occupation. So my title is front end web developer. You can put whatever you want, kitty lover, it doesn't matter. So remember how we said that HTML is the current version of HTML is HTML5. So there is semantic markup, which means tags that have certain information in them. So some of these tags, so before you'll say div, and this is a new tag, and we'll say class of navigation, and every website will have something like this. So the people down in HTML said, hey, why don't we just make a tag and name navigation? So in this case it's called nav, and this is where we'll have our navigation. So inside of this navigation, us web developers, a navigation is a list of things: your home page, your about page, your contact page. It's just a list of pages. So we can just have an li, and we're gonna have an link here, href. We'll get back to that right now, but inside of my link I want to put home because we have a home page. I'm gonna copy and paste this 3 more times, and this one can be an about page, and this one can be a contact page. So we haven't went over how to make pages. I'll get to that right now. So homepage, our homepage right now is currently index.html. So we can say the href is index.html, and if I view this in the browser, we're gonna have my name, we're gonna have front-end web developer, and we're gonna have 3 links. The homepage is gonna take me back to index.html, so if I click it, nothing's gonna happen. If I click the about page, we haven't set anything for that yet. But in the future, we are going to want to have an about.html page and a contact.html page. So for now, if we do click on about, it says your file was not found because we did not make these files. But we keep that for last, and I will explain why in the next video.